What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing a zombie pigman from Minecraft. Let's begin by drawing a large square at the top of our page for the head. So we're going to start with the top line. Starting on the left, draw a straight line going across towards the right. Now we're going to take that same length and draw two lines coming down along the side. So let's start on the top left. Draw a straight line down to right about there. And then do the same thing on the right. So I'm going to pull this down towards the same height. And I'll close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's continue blocking out the body and then we'll add the detail after. From the bottom corners of the head, we're going to step in and draw two straight lines coming down. So start on the left, step in, draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the hip. Go to the right, step in, draw another line coming all the way down, just lining this up. And we'll close off the bottom. And then from the hips, we'll step in, draw two straight lines coming down towards the bottom of the feet. So step in on the left, come all the way down, go in on the right, again coming down towards the same height, and we'll close off the bottom. Let's separate the legs in half, starting in the middle. Draw a straight line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Now we're going to move back up and draw the arms in an angle. We'll start underneath the head on the left side. Start with a straight angle line going up and out. And we'll take that and flip it over on the right. So we're going to line this up, go up and out. Let's go to the inside of the arm, draw a straight angle line coming all the way down and out. Go to the right. And again, just pulling that down towards the same height. Let's take that same length line and draw it along the bottom. So we'll go up and out. And we'll close off the outside of the arm, starting from the top, angle down and out towards the bottom. Now I'm going to draw the inside edge of the arms. Starting from the inside corner, draw a short line coming in. And I'll follow that same angled line going up and in behind the body. Now that we complete the shape of our character, let's add some detail to the head. We're going to start with the snout. Starting in the center of our square, start with a straight line going across from left to right. Then from the ends, draw a straight line coming down. Let's close off the bottom with a straight line. Let's draw in the eyes. From the top corners, we're going to extend this all the way out towards the side of the head. Go back to the inside, draw a straight line going up towards the top of the eyes. And then go all the way back out towards the side. Let's split the right eye in half, coming all the way down, and we'll fill that outer square in black. Let's move over and fill in the entire left eye. Let's go back to the snout and add two squares on the bottom corners. Starting on the left, come straight in, line this up on the right, and come all the way down towards the bottom. Let's add that tear across the center of the head. Start from the top corner of the left eye, start with a straight line coming in, go all the way up, go back, and then up toward the top of the head. Go to the bottom corner of the snout, go out with a straight line, and down, pull that in, and then back down towards the bottom of the head. Let's go up to the top of the head in the center, step over towards the right, draw a straight line coming down, come in toward that center line. Go down towards the bottom, draw a straight line coming down, go across towards the right, and then back down. Let's go to the bottom corner on the right, come straight down, go across, pull that up, and then out towards the right. And I'll add a small square underneath the right eye, coming down, and then out. Let's expose the rib cage on the left side. Underneath the head, we're going to step down, draw a straight line coming in, and then pull that up. Let's step down, draw another line coming in, not all the way, come down, and then back out. Let's add 2 more ribs. Stepping down, draw another line, just lining this up, come down, and then out. And we'll add a shorter one along the bottom. Stepping down, let's go to the center, step over towards the right, draw a straight line coming all the way down to right about there, come across towards the left, and pull that down towards the bottom. Now move over towards the right side and draw a square, going up, across, and then down. Now we're going to move up, draw a straight line, going up, go all the way across towards the side, and come back down towards the bottom, draw a straight line going across, go up, and then out. Let's add some detail to the legs. From the top of the legs, we're going to step down, draw a straight line going all the way across from left to right. Then from the bottom corner, step in, draw a straight line coming down, and go back out. Let's do the same thing on the right. Let's add some toes. From the bottom, step up, come in, and then down. Line this up on the right. And do that again. And leave a gap, go up, across, and then down. Now we're going to extend this line coming all the way down towards the bottom. Move back up, come in, go up, in, and then up. Let's close off this gap in between the toes. Go to the inside, go all the way back up, and then all the way across towards the right. Now we're going to move up and add some detail to the arms. Halfway along this line, draw a straight line going up and in, and come down towards the inside. And I'll move up, draw a short angle line going up and out, line this up on the right, come down with a short line, go back up and out, come down again, and then all the way out towards the side of the arms. Let's go back up to the top and draw a straight line going across the inside of the arm. We're going to add one more detail on the top of the arm, starting on the outside, and go down and in, go up and in. I'm just going to trace this back along the outside, going out with a short line, come down, and then back out. And that's pretty much it. There's our zombie pigman from Minecraft. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. Make sure you subscribe and send me a like. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you again soon.